Okay, just a quick video on how to replace the brake pads on a H3 Hummer. I assume it's for all H3 years. Lift the vehicle up. I do it at the bottom of the leaf springs. Of course, add a jack for support. Remove the wheel. Now you need a size 14, either socket or wrench. Remove the bottom caliper bolt. I already replaced the brakes. I figure I'd just make a quick video while I have the wheel off. So if this bolt isn't coming out and this nut keeps spinning on you right here, it's all right. Just grab a size 18 wrench to hold it, and then you'll be able to loosen it with the size 14. Once you got that loosened, remove the bolt, set it to the side, don't lose it. Now just lift the caliper up. It should stay in place because the brake line kind of holds it there. Now remove the brake pads. They just slide off. Take both sides off. And now if your kit came with hardware, what I mean by hardware are these little like slides. These slides sit right here, one on the bottom and one on the top. They just pop off. All you'll need is either screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, or a pair of pliers, and they just pop right off. You know, just pry it off or pull it off. Real simple. Now once you've done that, and then you pop on the new hardware, of course if your kit came with new hardware, then always remember to use brake lube. Use a good amount on the slides here, because this is what the brake pads slide on. Without the lube, they could wear unevenly, not slide like they should. So just make sure. I mean, it's real cheap for this little package. It costs like 99 cents, $1. Anyways, once you got the lube on these slides, and just add a little bit of lube where the brake pads meet the slides. So right here and right here on each brake pad. And then go ahead and slide your new brake pads in. Just remember the wear indicator, this little piece here. If they do have one on yours, it goes on the inside of the vehicle, just in case you forget which one you took out. So just go ahead and slide them back on. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Got it backwards, upside down, sorry. All right, there's one, and then a second. All right, so once you've got those on, depending on how bad your old brake pads were, they were worn pretty low. This your caliper piston might be pushed out quite a ways. So what you'll need to do, because these are now obviously thicker, you're going to need to push this caliper in. Either get a pair of big pliers, or what I did was I just used both of my hands and squeezed it back in there. It takes a little bit of pressure. So if you're not strong enough, just grab some pliers that are big enough, or even just use some leverage. Get a bigger screwdriver or something that you can stick in there. Just use some leverage to push that back in. So once you got it in far enough, then the caliper should just slide right on there over the new brake pads. Once you're done with that, of course, put the bolt back in, tighten everything up, put your wheel back on, and you're done. Hope this video helped. Thanks guys, God bless.